Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've already got iMovie open. Now import and place your clip on the timeline so you start editing right away. Select the clip and scrub to the exact frame where you want the fade to begin. Once positioned, make sure the clip edge is visible and unlocked. This prevents accidental edits. You're preparing the clip's endpoint so the fade will look smooth. Next, we'll add the actual fade effect using transitions and the clip's built-in fade handles. Now add the fade. Drag the small fade handle at the top right of the clip toward the center to create a built-in fade to black. If you prefer a transition, open Transitions, choose Cross Dissolve and drop it at the clip end. This creates a smooth fade. Once added, click the transition and set duration. Try 0, 5 to 2, 0 seconds so it matches your pacing. Make sure to preview with the playhead. Adjust until the visual and audio fade feel natural. Finish up by previewing the full sequence, then export or share when you're happy with the timing. If the screen doesn't go completely black at the end, confirm the project background is set to black and that no lower layer clips are visible. Also make sure audio fades match. Use the clip's volume fade handles or add an audio fade transition so sound doesn't cut off abruptly. If transitions glitch, delete and reapply at slightly different duration. That usually fixes timing hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.